how to connect Roblox Studio to Visual Code. So the first thing that you need to do is in Visual Studio Code, tap the extensions icon, and then type in Roblox. Here you will see Rojo or Rojo, whatever. Simply just click on it and then click install. Click Trust Publisher and install. So now you need to create a new folder. Go to File and then Open Folder. Let's do this in the desktop. Go to New Folder. Let's just type in Roblox. VSCode. There you go. Let's select the folder. Yep, trust the authors. Now that you're here, click the search bar and then type in Rojo open menu, like that. And now click install Rojo now. And here it says successfully installed Aftman on your system. Now click create one now. And then click install Roblox Studio plugin. And there you go. And now once you installed the Studio plugin, then click default project JSON. And then close Roblox if you had it open already, and then open it back up again. Then go to the base plate or whatever you want. And then here you're gonna see project demo is serving at localhost, blah blah blah. Would you like to connect? And then simply just click connect. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.